Everyone got a BTC update for you today. We're also going to go over Ethereum as well. I'm going to show you guys why 93K is a very likely target here on this down move, still very much in play, and as low as 85K before we get any type of significant move to the upside. We're going to correlate this with Ethereum today as well. We're going to look at the Ethereum chart. I'm going to put this all together for you. If you're new to the channel, this is Elliott Wave Theory, guys. Make sure you join the free Discord. If you don't know what Elliott is, changed my life. You will never look at the charts the same again. There's a free Elliott Wave course, 3 hours video boot camp, 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts here. Just join up in the free Discord, pin in the first comment down below. Also, make sure you drop a follow over on X if you like this content. There's more content over there. Discord is pinned over there. Blowfin's over there. Everything's over there. Drop a follow at chart_junkies. Let's get right into this analysis, y'all. Picking up from last video, I am still in my shorts, guys. I did TP about 6K off of the Bit Unix short, still in a pretty decent position. TP'd at these lows here today. TP'd at these lows here today. I did post in the premium Discord, like I post all my trades that we took profit right down here. Happy I did, because we're getting a little bit of a pump out of here. Guys, I'm going to go smaller time frame in 1 second. I'm going to go smaller time frame. We'll see exactly what's going on here. I'm conjuring up something on the charts in the smaller time frames here, real time as this is playing out. Give me 1 second. We'll hit that. Zoomed out view, guys. You know we're playing this big old flat. Everybody says it can't happen. Everybody says it won't happen. Apparently everybody's just right nowadays. I guess that's how markets work now. Everybody's right. I guess that's the new thing. So I'm sticking with my guns here, playing this flat. We have a correction down, looking for a correction up to sweep the highs, impulsive wave down, essentially correcting this entire move. Ultimately very bullish for BTC, as this will be a finished correction. We could extend this correction out further. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But I need a corrective move of this wave in order for these big time upside targets. All right. Ultimately, big time bullish for BTC and crypto. I just need a little correction here. And I'm looking to play every single leg of this. Zooming in on this WXY, this corrective structure to the upside. This is how I see it playing out. I think we are pretty much topped here. Can we come sweep the highs one more time? Yes, but I mean, I'm talking a slight sweep of the highs. I don't want to see it go much higher. The higher we do go here, the more I'm going to be considering this being a finished correction to this, and we're going to get that move to the downside more immediately. So preferably don't want that to happen quite yet. I want to be able to play this. And I'm pretty confident in this. Right now. Looking for a corrective structure, this ABC I have drawn in to the downside. I want to come into these imbalances in the chart. If we look over on Ethereum real quick before we go dive deep into that, Ethereum has just a mega imbalance down here. Let's come down and fill some of this, right? It's written all over the charts right now, guys. I didn't make up the rules. So, looking to fill this imbalance, I think liquidity can get swept under here at like 93K. If you look at heat maps, there is liquidity down there. Guys, don't put your all into these freaking heat maps. Everyone knows about them. There's no edge with them. It's just good to visually see where liquidity's at. 93K is a good little glob of liquidations. So let's come down there and tag that. Then we can retrace and talk about going further down. I think everyone's going to be buying these dips. So market makers would be rewarded by continuing to push price down. If they bring it down here, I think a lot of people are going to be buying this, hoping that we zip up out of here. And I have a sneaky suspicion a lot of liquidity is going to build up down here. This imbalance can come get filled around 85K, and then we can come rip into the upside. All right. We went over in yesterday's video the mentality that the herd is going to have. If this plays out, it will benefit market makers immensely, because as we progress to the downside here, I mean, people are going to be having no clue what's going on. I'm going to be real. They're going to see an M pattern here. They're going to think that we're going to be coming down like this, double top, triple top, however you want to call it. And they're going to get really bearish down here at the lows, and then we're going to bust up out of here for all-time high. They're going to think that we're going to be ripping to the upside. breakout. This is a retest right down here. We're breaking out. We're going, and it's just a liquidity sweep, and then we get the serious dump down to like 60K, 50K. All right, so I think we'll see if it plays out. That's how I am trading things. That's how I'm doing things, guys. You're in charge of your own money. This is not financial advice. You can do whatever the hell you want. We're all adults here. But this is what I'm playing. And I'm choosing to take the road less traveled by. You know what I'm saying? As I do in life in general. Guys, speaking about life in general, if you want to see how we're living, if you want some motivation, drop a follow over on Instagram. I'm posting good shit over there. I want to force you guys to become better. I want to embarrass you because I am constantly leveling up every single motherfucking day, getting better nonstop. It's a lifestyle. It's not just trading. It's a fucking lifestyle. So if you want to be average and be boring and be lame, go ahead and do that. Be happy. That don't make me happy. Drop a follow on Instagram. The name is now Maxed Out Poppy. Maxed Out Poppy. That is pinned in the first comment down below. Click the link, drop a follow on Instagram. So, this is the mentality here. This is why I'm playing the structure. Let's hop over to ETH really quick, and then we'll go smaller time frames for BTC. Ethereum, I do want to see a similar structure play out for ETH. And it's a little bit ugly. I'm not going to lie. Let's go to the zoomed out view. Zoomed out real quick, and then we'll zoom in. It's on the weekly time frame. This is what I had mapped out. Essentially, this big dump right here would be BTC's dump down to like 50, 60K that we're looking at. And I'm looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a very deep 4 wave, but it is to be expected when your 1, 2 is so shallow. I actually have this pulled wrong here. This is down here. It's a flat. So it's a shallow 1, 2. You would expect a deep wave 4. I just can't come into this red line here at like 3,100, we'll say. That would invalidate this count and this structure. But as of right now, I think this is a very sharp either WXY that we're forming or an ABC that we're forming. Zoomed in, you can see how I have it mapped out here. Here's the wave 4, but we'll get to that in a second. Essentially, I'm looking at this as a big, instead of ABC, we're calling this a WXY. We got a double correction. Correction down, correction up, this flat correction, which I think we're still in the middle of or finishing up. If we pull fibs, the lower target is the 1618. It's at $1,000. I think that's a beautiful spot for ETH to come down to. Let's come tag 1,000, confirm it as support, and then we can push to the upside. Scare the absolute shit out of everyone in the process, right? Just wait for it's gonna come out in here. Boom, 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 boom. That looks more like that. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now, looking for this impulse to finish up, zoomed in on it. This is how I'm seeing this wave 4 progress. If we're looking at this through the lens of BTC, here is all-time high for BTC, looking to sweep all-time high and then dump. And this is how it would play out on Ethereum's chart. Correction down. This is BTC's move down to like 93K. This is the finishing move down to like 85K. And then we have one more push to the upside for ETH to finish out this ABC pattern for wave 4 and then dump. And then we have one more push up towards all-time high for BTC and then dump. It looks good. It looks really good. That's how I'm going to be playing ETH. I think it's going to be a great short up in here. We might come and just barely sweep this liquidity up here. It's coming in around 3K. 3K. That's how I'm going to be playing this so long as the BTC structure remains intact. Let's go smaller time frame on this. We're pumping pretty good, huh? Guys, this is BitUnix. They are no KYC. They are the highest liquidity, no KYC exchange out right now. If you want to give them a try, as you can see, trading on BitUnix. If you want to give them a try, I hooked up this promotion for you. You get VIP2 trading fee discount, which is 15% off trading fees automatically. You also get these deposit bonuses. You also get this trading volume bonus just for trading. Click the link pinned in the first comment down below. BitUnix, highest liquidity, no KYC exchange. You sign up with your email or use code ChartJunkies. If you want to give them a try, take advantage of that because you know I hook you up with the best freaking promos on these exchanges. We don't play. But for the smaller time frames here on BTC, this is looking pretty pushy. I'm not sold. I'm not convinced. For a number of reasons, guys. I see this nice push down, a corrective wave to follow. This essentially looks corrective right now, but it didn't really come down as far as I wanted it to. I would have loved for it to come down to the 90%. Then I could say, hey, we can impulse up out of here. But we didn't even get that. So if anything, if we're going to go tag these highs, I'm probably going to do it like this. If anything. But this was needed to reset the hourly time frame. We're coming up on this hourly RSI trend line. Let's come and tag this. 4 hour. We still have some room to the downside. The 8 hour, man, this looks bearish. Like, let's push to the downside. Let's go. 12 hour, bearish. Same thing. What I want to see here on the smaller time frames. Now, I'm sitting in my shorts. I'm winning trades no matter what. Stop loss is at entry. Easy trades, no problem. I'm not entering anything new right now. But as I'm looking at this, I want to see this be some kind of a 1 into 2 into 1 into 2. Like, I want this to hold. We'll see if she does. We'll see right now, probably. Let me pull fibs here. Where's the 1618 coming in? A slight break of that trend line. Yeah. I mean, if we hold this right here, if we hold this level, the potential for a 1-2-1-2 big time dump. We'll see if it holds. If we push up out of here and I get stopped out at break even, no problem. I'm going to really be watching for. Let me pull fibs here in this one. You guys know how we roll, all real time. I mean, I would be watching for a quick, if anything, a quick sweep of the high. And then we come down and take this liquidity. Probably will re-short right here so long as we have a swing failure. And I'll probably end up long in here for one more final push up. Because that would be a finished correction. Looking for one more wave up. Like, and that's not what I'm playing now. But if we push up, I get stopped out on my trades. Probably going to look to re-enter short up here. But as of right now, we basically need to hold where we're at, in my humble opinion. We can go up a little bit higher to like 103.5K-ish. And then we should see reversal right there if this is going to be an impulsive structure to the downside. If we start hitting to the downside, I love complete breakdown to 93K. Complete breakdown to 93K. We'll see if it plays out. I'll see you in tomorrow's video, guys. Make sure you subscribe for daily Bitcoin content, leverage trading content. You know we do it like no other around here. Like the video if you get something out of these videos. Smash all the links down below, pin in the first comment. Drop a follow on X, all that good stuff. See you over in Discord. Premium Discord right now, guys. Today only. Today only. Per request, we are launching the 20 off code. If you want to try the Premium Discord, code 20 off will get you $20 off your first month. Just click upgrade here within the free Discord. Check out everything that's included. I got a video. Once you click the link, you'll see everything that's included. We'll see you over in Premium Discord. Got all my trades posted in there and how I'm servicing them. Much more. We did a live stream this morning. I'll see you in there. Trade safe, everyone. Love you.